the Pinaka Bapa Betara Wisnu Menjadma. King Dasarata is incarnations of the gods from paradise, and now as the father of Rama. Inakang nikang buana kabe to make the world better and good. Ma ya tedo nira nimitaning jadma. That is the purpose, the idea. The gods become a human being, become a man to make the world is good. Guna mantra sang Dasarata. King Dasarata is very brilliant king. Urosira ring Veda, Bhakti ring Dewa. He know Veda. Veda like Bible. Veda. Ting ting tang ting tang ting. And he believe in God and always pray the gods. Dharma lupeng pitra puja. Not forget to worship his ancestor.